This is that Lexus on G68. As you can hear it, I don't know what that is, big dog. Some sort of knocking noise. Try revving the gas up on it a little bit, but I don't know. Let me see. It goes away when you hit the gas. Then, as it gets settled, I don't know what that is, big dog, but this is not that Lexus we looked at, but this is G58. All right, here we go.